everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here for the first time, my name's Ivy. Thanks for tuning in. So I thought I would do another soup video. Yes, I know, I'm getting my soups in. And this one is going to be a tomato, roasted red pepper and basil soup. What do you think about that? So, I hope you're all doing okay. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, here are the ingredients that I'm going to need. So I can't make tomato soup without tomatoes. So I've got some salad tomatoes here. And I've also got some cherry tomatoes. So I don't know if I'm going to use all of them, but tomatoes. Also, I've got 2 red peppers, which I need to use. So so that's them. Here's my basil, and I find that the basil never lasts long in these bags, so you know, I might freeze some actually, that's a good idea. But there's my basil. An onion, yeah, this is an onion from my brother's allotment because I got loads. So onion, vegetable stock I'm going to be using as well. And I love this minced ginger and garlic. So probably won't taste the ginger much in this soup, but I'm going to put a bit of that in. Black pepper, and I've also got some mixed herbs that I'm going to put in. Some turmeric, a little bit of turmeric, and some paprika. I really like the smoked paprika, but I couldn't find any. So that's all the ingredients. Yeah, let's get into this. I'm washing my peppers, so just giving it a good wash. These do need using, so what better way to use them up? Yeah, what better way to use them up? And in a nice soup. So that's what I'm doing. Yep. Okay, those are my peppers. And I'm going to use all of these tomatoes, well, the big ones anyway. So, yeah. Juicy red tomatoes. Okay, I will see if I think I need the other little cherry tomatoes. So now we're gonna cut up my onion. So let's get some of these things out the way. Here we go with chopping up an onion. Now I'm not doing, well, I can't do the chefy thing. Can just about hold my knife, so I'm just gonna chop them in big chunks because everything's gonna get, what is the word, blended. So that's all we're doing. Yeah, that's it. Just gonna put them in like that. Okay, I've got this dish, it's just a small one, and just going to put the onions in like that, haphazard, yeah, and then we're going to cut my tomatoes, just like that, and bang them in. That's it. Look how fresh and lovely these tomatoes are. And at least when you're making your own soup, you know what's going in it. Yeah, you know what's going in it. There's no E this, F this, G this, H that, if there are any H's. You know what I mean. And there. To think that this time last year, I could barely hold a knife. I certainly couldn't cut anything or hold anything properly. Wow. Blessings. Now I'm going to chop up my pepper. I hope it's still good, actually. Because, you know, like I said, it needed using. So, I hate these fiddly bits. So, yeah. Don't do my cutting technique, people. Yep. So, we're just going to scoop some of the seeds out. Well, hopefully all the seeds, because we don't need them. Yep. There we go. That's that done. Get this one done. Oh, let's get a smaller knife. Here we go. Right, there we go. Right, and let's get the other one. I can't wait for this soup. I'm really getting into my soups now. Okay. And again, we're just being careful and just getting the seeds out. Yeah, and then we're going to cut these up, like I said, rustic like, because everything's going to be blended. So let's get a bit more of this pith out. I said pith, in case you thought you heard something else. Right. It's all raw and it's looking good already. Right, last bit of pepper. Let's get that bit out. And there we go. And that is that. I don't think I need to add any more peppers. So there you go. Look at that. Looks gorgeous. Now what I'm going to do now is add a little bit of oil. I'm using this rapeseed, British rapeseed oil. And just going to, oh, don't know if you can see, just going to drizzle a bit of oil over. And then I'm going to add some mixed herbs. So I'll finish what's in here. Okay. And then, oh, come on. Right. So, just love lots of herbs. And don't forget, I still got my basil. I'm gonna just add a little bit of turmeric. And who doesn't love a bit of paprika? Like I said, I've run out of smoked, which I love. So it's just paprika. Okay, there we go. And then I'm just gonna get my hands in. So everything, my hands are clean. Just gonna get them all coated. That's right, get them all coated. Oh, that just looks gorgeous. And I'm just gonna rinse my hands off. Yeah. Oh, apologies. That's me and my clumsy self. So there, look at that. Okay. And that is going to go in the oven and take on all the flavours. Yeah. So I'll put this in the oven, and then about halfway through, I'll check it, and then we'll go from there. So see you soon. Yum. I did forget to put some of this in, so I'm going to do that now. There you go, a great big dollop. Well, I could do more. Yeah. And now it is going to go into the oven. Okay. See you soon. Here we go. Here's the tomatoes, the peppers, and the onions, and it all looks good and it smells amazing. So that's all. I might just put it in for another 5 minutes, and then when that's ready, I will make up some vegetable stock. Looking good though. Here is the tomato, peppers and onions mixture. So now I'm gonna put it in my blender. If that is, I'll use a wooden spoon. Let's hope I don't make a mess. So, yeah, oh. Good. There we go. Get all the bits. Okay, there we go. Doesn't make a mess much. And then, while I've been waiting for that, I've made some vegetable stock. So I'm going to pour a bit of that in as well. There we go. And I've washed some basil. So I'm just going to rip up a few bits of basil and put it in as well. Yep. There we go. And then we're going to put this lid on. Yeah. And then we're going to pulse it, keeping our fingers crossed. Well, let's turn it on. Okay, so we're going to switch it on. Switch it off just to be sure, be safe. And now we're going to try and open it. Okay. Good. that looks nice. That looks nice. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pour it back into the pan and just warm it, let it warm through. So yeah, oh, that's on the outside. So I'm just going to pour it back in the pan and warm that through. So take it off, and then there you go, look at that. And then I'm just gonna pour it into this pan. There we go. And that's the soup. Tomato, roasted red pepper and onion soup with basil. So we're just letting that warm thoroughly. Excuse the state of my pan. Just excuse the state of my pan. There we go. And I will come back to you when that is all nicely warmed through. This is my tomato and roasted red pepper and onion and basil soup. It looks absolutely gorgeous and I've really enjoyed making it. So now let's taste it. Okay, look at this soup. It looks, can you see it? It looks stunning. Okay, now for the taste test. Hope I don't drop it. Tomato and red pepper and onion and basil. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Wow. Fresh tomatoes, the red peppers, everything is gorgeous. The basil, that's what I'm talking about. Yes, I'm well pleased with that. So, my friends, if you've liked this video, enjoyed it, then please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Oh, showing off my bits. I apologise. Yeah, like I said, I've really enjoyed making another homemade soup, and it was easy. I know there's a lot of people out there that don't have the dexterity in their hands to be able to make this soup. And trust me, I've been there. But, you know, when I can, I do. And that's why I'm making these soups and these cooking videos, because I love cooking. So, yeah, that's the end of the video. I'm going to go and sit down and focus on my tomato and roasted red pepper and onion and basil soup. So I will see you soon for another video. Hey, hey, hey. Let's keep smashing this life and be good to yourselves and be good to each other. Don't take any negativity from anybody. You know why? That's right. They're only jealous. So God bless, and I'll see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching.